party time! Doing this craft just made me even hungrier. Tonight's dinner is definitely pizza. Magic Mimi! Howdy! Welcome to the Magic Mimi channel. On this channel, we're going to have tons of fun with crafts. Yay! Are you okay? I guess I'm really hungry. Can I eat something before we start crafting? But we've already started filming. Food is calling me. Oh, come on.
Don't worry, I gotcha.
Crank, 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 crank. Crank, 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 crank.
Pop!
It's a paper plate! All right, let's go! Mimi's Magic Craft!
First, trace the paper plate on construction paper. Then, draw a second, smaller circle on the inside and cut it out with scissors. Put some glue on the paper and stick it to the plate. And just like that, we have our pizza dough. Grab some yellow and red colored paper. Glue the yellow paper on to make the cheese. Then sprinkle on circles of red paper. Wow, it's pepperoni! Make sure to pile on plenty for me. Add the tomato sauce too. Then use colored pencils to crisp up the edges and grease up the pepperoni. What do you think? Looks good enough to eat, right? Fold an extra paper plate in quarters and snip the tip. Now when you unfold it, there's a hole in the middle. Place this on top of the pizza and mark the center with a pen. Then stack the other paper plate with the pizza and cut straight down to the dot mark. After cutting both pieces together, stack the first plate at the bottom. Push the brad fastener through the center of all the plates. Open the pin ends. Then flip it over, and it's done! Round and round it goes! Wow, amazing! The pizza's being gobbled up! Take it for a spin again, and would you look at that? It's a whole nother fresh pizza pie! Now that's a craft worth cooking up, right?
All right, everyone, it's pizza party time! Yeah! Look, I made a margarita. Mozzarella and tomato are the perfect match. I made a seafood pizza with shrimp. I could eat this forever. Ham, 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 ham. That looks good. Hey, can I have some seafood pizza too? I want some margarita too. Ham, 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 ham. One more slice. Me too. One more slice. 3 slices. 4 slices. Come on, you're eating too much. Doing this craft just made me even hungrier. Tonight's dinner is definitely pizza. You should all try making it too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up too. Bye!